I bought this solid cast iron griddle at a car boot sale for £1. But is it junk or can I restore it? Take a look. Not looking too great, is it? Let's see what I can do. Now these aren't supposed to be soaked, so I'm literally just going to pop it in some warm water with some fairy liquid and give it a quick wipe over. I'm not leaving it in there. Just see what comes off. Okay, next step.
Here I'm trying something different. I thought I would give the steamer a go. I was wondering if it would just sort of get in all the grooves and just blast the grease out. And it did remove some, but I really needed to put some proper elbow grease in.
As we can see, the steam has got off loads and loads of grime and gunk, but it still feels quite sticky. So I'm going back to good old-fashioned fairy liquid. Good for grease cutting. And some boiling hot water straight from the kettle. Okay, I'm coming in heavier now with the pink stuff. Here's how it's looking after the pink stuff scrub. Much better than it was. I'm going to tackle the other side now. Got a 50-50 mix of boiling water mixed with white vinegar, just to see if it will attack some of the rust. Here's what was the rusty side. I'm going to season it now. I have a little bottle of olive oil. Okay, let's take a look. Woo. Apparently for seasoning you are supposed to get it smoky. I don't know if I'm supposed to get it this smoky though. Well, it's good to know my smoke alarm works. Here it is. I think I went a bit overboard with the olive oil, but it's looking good.